Hello everyone, this week our chemistry crash course is going to focus on carbonates, and this chapter you can see in both IGCSE and SPM. The four main things you must know for carbonates are the limestone, lime, slick lime, and lime water. Let's go into the details one by one. Alright, the first one, limestone is also called calcium carbonate or CaCO3. You have to memorize when you mix calcium carbonate with clay, it can be used to become cement. And the cement, when it's mixed with aggregates like small pebbles or stones, it can become concrete. The next one is lime, which is known as calcium oxide or CaO. So lime is widely used in agriculture and mainly in neutralizing acidic soil or to improve drainage in soil. Okay, you have to remember, usually if we have acidic soil, we will use lime because the lime is alkaline. However, if we have an alkaline soil, we will have to use compost because compost can generate carbonic acid. So for lime, apart from using in agriculture, we can also use it with sodium carbonate and sand to make glass. And this one we will go into details in chapter 9 in SPM. And then the last one is slick lime and lime water, which are technically the same, calcium hydroxide with water. So lime water is used to make bleaching powder, and at the same time you have learned from before, it is used to test the presence of carbon dioxide gas, because when this reaction happens, it will turn milky. What exactly is the milky? It is the solid white particle, which is known as limestone. Alright, so this cycle for carbonate you must memorize. So when we have a limestone, calcium carbonate, and when we go through thermal decomposition, which also means heating, when we heat your limestone, the calcium carbonate can turn into calcium oxide. So this is a reaction, calcium carbonate to become calcium oxide and CO2 gas. So when we have lime calcium oxide, we can add water and it can turn into calcium hydroxide, CaO with H2O to give you CaOH2. So with slick lime, if you add in more water, it can then become lime water, which is also CaOH2. And with this lime water, like what I have said, it can be used to test the presence of carbon dioxide, because lime water reacts with CO2, you will get back calcium carbonate and water. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. If you are interested to understand the main points and even highlights for each of the chapter, feel free to subscribe for more videos. At the same time, you can follow me on this platform to get my free notes and reach out for online lessons. See you soon, bye bye.